Hi, this is Jonah with Sweet Honey Code, and today we're going to take a look at Shopify CLI for themes. So let's get started. Shopify CLI enables you to have a local development environment for Shopify. For my setup, I use Windows WSL 2.0 and Ubuntu, and from there I installed the necessary tools that was needed, like Ruby and Git. Once I was done there, I installed the Shopify CLI gem. I'll put links in the description below so you can follow along. Here I have Visual Code open and my terminal set to WSL, so that way I'm in the Ubuntu environment. I'm going to type out my first command, which is Shopify space login space dash dash store, my store name, which is a littlewildclothing.myshopify.com. Once I hit return, it's going to try to log into that Shopify store. Now, depending how recently you've logged in, it's going to prompt you to click a link to authenticate it. Whoops, looks like I need to update the Shopify CLI, which I'll do later on. All right, after updating my URL, I want to hit return one more time. So spelling is very crucial. Here you can see I have the link, so within Visual Code, I can hold Control and click, and it's going to authenticate it. I'll log into my account here. And there we go. Now I'm authenticated. Now I'll go back to my Visual Code. From here I can choose which partner account I have available. And there I am, already logged in. So I'm going to type in clear to clear out the commands. Perfect. So then now the next thing I want to do is initialize a theme. So I'm going to type Shopify space theme space init. Now it will come up with a name for my theme. I'm going to call it Wild Space Clothing and hit return one more time. Now it's going to clone the Dawn theme from GitHub. Perfect. And if I look at the sidebar, I can see that the theme and the source code is all here. Well, I hope you liked this video as a quick intro into Shopify CLI and getting started with the Shopify theme. I hope to cover more about coding and developing with Shopify themes down the road. Be sure to like this video, leave a comment down below if you have any questions, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.